There's not a very big transition from what I used to do in the military to the civilian world. And that's how I ended up driving a truck, because I had to find a job to make money. I just started Googling things, and this was in my backyard. Came in raw. I had no skill in welding whatsoever. Then almost a year later, a new job offer already. Now I got some skills in my pocket now that I can take with me to anywhere. Overhead stick welding, overhead TIG welding, overhead flux core, forklift, and the MSSC safety certification. When you go out to like these places where I got my new job, they want a forklift certification, they want a safety certification. They want all this extra stuff that, like you said, you'll have to go elsewhere to get. Came here and it's all in one big bundle. MSSC, it's more than just a safety test. You start getting into the other sections of it, and it starts teaching you about leadership and maintenance and productivity and quality control, stuff I never knew about. And now, I have a much better understanding of that. It's a relief. I don't have to go work at a job that I can't stand anymore just to pay the bills. Now I can go do something that I enjoy doing and make a better living than what I was doing. Looking forward to getting started with my new career, thanks to Snead State.